In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Circle Crop. Circle Crop is a great tool for a few key reasons. It mimics a microscope viewport, saves space, draws the viewer's eye to a specific area of your image, and cleans up the edges of a repeating icon like this. Let's get started. Here we have a grouped icon. You can crop any icon in BioRender, even if it's a group. Start by adding a pre-made zoom icon, which gives us a built-in viewport and guide to crop into. Adjust the zoom over the image you want to zoom in on, resizing as needed. Then, select the icon you want to crop and click the crop button. You'll see a few options. Select Circle. Use the blue lines to adjust the crop to fit your image. You can zoom in to make sure the edges are clean and straight. Zoom out to see the full picture. When ready, click Apply or hit Enter. If you want to make changes, double-click into the icon and click Edit Crop. Click Reset to undo the crop entirely. Circle Crop is also useful for other visuals, like cell-to-cell interactions, animal models, or instrument setups. Try it out, and we can't wait to see what you create.